Hey everyone, today we're going to be reviewing the Couture's soft gel extensions. I have Coffin and Clear. I didn't buy the full kit because I basically had everything in it to make the kit. It was base gel, primer and dehydrator, and flash lamp and the souffle gel. I did buy the souffle gel, the flash lamp, and the extensions themselves. I got Clear. We're going to be giving it a try. I just want to say it took 4 months to get to me. Like their shipping times were bad before COVID, but now it is just ridiculous. Like, and then I couldn't get in touch with customer service when I had moved, so I almost didn't get my package. It was a lot. It was just so much. Anyway, so choosing my sizes, this is a size one. I have really small fingers, and I'm usually the smallest that they have. So their one fits me perfectly. So I can only imagine, like for people with larger nails, the zero is probably benefit some people, but maybe not all, with people with wider nail beds. So, just keep that in mind. So I have all my nails picked. It's kind of hard to see. I tried to make it better, but this tray is also white, so I do apologize. So we're going to go into the next step, which is going to be me etching the nail. You use a diamond bit or a cuticle bit to basically just scuff the inside of the nail so that it can have something to adhere to. Using the dehydrator first because it says use the dehydrator first and then the primer. You just apply one coat like you normally would, and remember to prep your nail like you normally would. I did it before the video started because y'all seen me prep my nails. Okay, so now we are going to use the base coat, and we're going to cure it for 60 seconds. I don't particularly like this base coat personally. It's really thick, but using it as we're supposed to, just apply a thin, even coat and cure it like you would normally. Okay, so now it's time to put the souffle gel on the nails. This is how it looks. It's a really thick consistency, but it's not like runny. I really like this actually. I'll probably continue to use the souffle gel if not anything else from these. And it's like really scoopable and easy to work with. Like I think this has to be my favorite part about this. So you just apply it onto the nail, even it out. You don't want to put too much to where it runs over, but enough to fill the base so it has something to apply to. And so once we apply it to the nail, you're going to press it down and you want to make sure you get all of the air bubbles out. I had issues trying to do the little flash lip because you're supposed to flash it for 10 seconds and then move on to the next nail. I couldn't do it at the same time, so I had to hold the lamp in my mouth while I did it. It was very difficult. Wouldn't, couldn't say that I would do this on anybody else. If I'm sure not everybody struggles like me. I know the Kiara Sky one, you could use hers. So, yeah. But that's how it looks. I really like it. It's strong, it's durable, it's nice. So I'm just speeding through the rest of the nail, showing you guys how I did it. It's just a repetitive process. This is actually really easy to do except for the little lamp. I think I looked on their website now and they have a different one. So, maybe that would be better. I'm not sure. But, the website suggests that you do them all at the same time. So, of course, you hold the nail down and you flash it for 10 seconds. And then once you have the whole hand completed, you're going to cure the whole hand for either 60 to 90 seconds, depending on if it's cured all the way. I only cured mine for 60 seconds and I had no problems. So it's up to you, in the lamp that you have. Okay, so these are my nails right after they came out of the lamp. I'm just showing you guys. They look really, really nice. Like, I love it. So I'm going to be using the D&D Honey color, and then just applying a base coat of the D&D gel. It's not really the important part, though. This is just this is the fun part. You can decorate it however you want to. It's supposed to hold up really well. So I'm just doing a nice, simple little, I love the honey color. It's really, really pretty. If you haven't seen it yet, you're about to. It's really, I don't know, to me it's a summer color, but who cares? So I'm just applying my first coat, and then I'm gonna clean up my little mess because polishing skills not A1. Don't talk about me though, y'all. It's getting better, I promise you, because it was rough. This is why I use mostly powders because I suck at polishing. Another reason why I don't do anybody else's nails. So yeah, so I'm just gonna apply my polish like I normally would. I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds and then do my second coat. Like, I kind of feel bad. Like, this is a really, really short video, though. Like, this process was so quick. Like, it didn't take me any time at all. And of course, I'm only doing one hand because I'm a weirdo. What can I say? And you see that big old spot I put on my thumb? Time to clean it up. And I'm just gonna grab my cleanup brush instead of playing around with my fingernail and trying to do it like I should have just did from the start. Anyway, I'm gonna use my cleanup brush, clean up that mess, and then we're gonna put it back in the lamp. But like, if you need something done really quick, this is the thing for you. Like, it didn't take me any time at all. I finished it really quick. Like, I want to say it only took me maybe 20 minutes to do this, and that's because I struggled with the little lamp and trying to maneuver. But whatever. And I'm just going to use my D&D rhinestone gel. I really, really like this. It holds so good. And I'm just going to put my top coat with it. And I'm going to stick me down some little silver crystals. They're going to be a little fancy. I feel like a little flower with yellow. Is that weird? Oh, well, it's almost springtime anyway. So, whatever. Who cares? But yeah, that's what this colors make me feel like. I really, really love rhinestones and blinging nails out. It's like one of the most one of my most favorite things. So I hope you guys like it too. Even though something is simple, it can still be really, really pretty. I will tell y'all this, I will get better with how I film these, like it's work in progress. I'm getting there. But y'all, like, I'm almost done with this set, and I love how it came out. And if you guys ever want to see another type of product for me to review or another thing, just let me know down in the comments below, and I'll definitely do it. You know, if it's from Couture, it's gonna take a while because who they take a minute, but that is how that looks like, and it has a beautiful C curve, and it's so strong, it's durable. Like, I tried twisting my nail and it didn't come off, and there you have it. Thank you.